Gee, show us how you do that. Yes.
You are a bad
You're a
kitty.
little booger.
What are you doing?
Candy.
Candy, are you rolling it back up?
Yeah.
Thank you.
No. I give me the toilet paper.
Wait for it. There it goes.
I need some toilet paper, Zoe. I need. Let me get the toilet paper. You know, usually cats take toilet paper. I need some toilet paper.
Yes, I see you. I see you. What are you doing? Crazy cat? Look at you. What have you done? Again with the toilet paper? That was a brand new roll.
Hello. What are you doing? Stop doing it!
Hey, look at me. Look at this mess. Are you gonna clean it up?
You are too fresh. Will you stop? What are you, a dog? Huh? Are you a dog?
You can't help but to laugh. You're not cleaning it up.
Okay, roll it back up. Good boy. Roll it back up. Back up without eating it. Oh dear.
She's literally unrolling the whole thing. Are you stuck, huh? Is this a problem? I think we maybe should learn to not stick our heads in things. I should probably help you.
Are you guilty?
You're cleaning this up. And no tuna tonight.